Hello and welcome to the Knock 8 of the Sports Sphere. So hockey is the sport that we're going to talk about today. जब भी हॉकी की बात आती है ना मुझे पता नहीं क्यों शाहरुख खान की याद आ जाती है. Of course because of the fact कि वो चक दे इंडिया मूवी में थे, बट उनका डायलॉग मुझे याद आ जाता है. 70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास और ये 70 मिनट तुमसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता. ये करेक्ट शाहरुख, क्योंकि 60 मिनट्स में से 70 मिनट्स तो वैसे ही कोई नहीं छीन सकता. Well, the movie had come in the year 2007. But 2014 May there had been certain changes in the play time of the game. So the game is now just played for 60 minutes, which is cut down to 3 sessions of 20 minutes. Anyways, heading on, so let's talk about one of the most beautiful, scenic and one of the coolest places in India. Yes, Leh and Ladakh. The winters in Leh and Ladakh are breathtaking, where the people and the locals in Leh and Ladakh are literally waiting for some spring. There are a bunch of blokes who wait there for the temperature to drop down to minus 20 degrees Celsius. There are some people who wait in Leh and Ladakh for extreme cold conditions. They wait for the big chill. And they are the players of the Indian national ice hockey team. Yes, there is one such team. Chalo, you're forgiven for not having known this. But now you know. Ice hockey is maybe a popular winter sport around the globe and in Winter Olympics, but its presence and popularity in India is not to that greater extent. Of course, there are varied reasons for it. There is only one artificial ice rink in the entire country, which is in Dehradun, which is also shut due to the less attention paid to it. So the only time the players actually get a rink to practice are these few months of winters in Leh and Ladakh, where due to the temperature, the lakes in Leh and Ladakh actually freeze. And these frozen lakes are the ice rinks for the national players of India to practice there. In these few months, there are a lot of things that are happening in Leh and Ladakh. There are national selections, there are local tournaments, and then the players have to practice. So this winter in Leh and Ladakh is the most precious time for our players to practice on the ice rink, or I would say the frozen lake.
I have this gloves. I think I got it 2 years back, and when I got it, it was in a very bad condition, and now it has got really worse now. Almost most of the gears, are either a little too big for me or a little too small for me. If we don't have appropriate equipment, then we are less protected and we become more prone to the injuries.
तो इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं थे, इसलिए हमें बहुत ही मुश्किल हो रहे थे. जब लद्दाख वुमेन आइस हॉकी फाउंडेशन नहीं थे, उससे पहले हम लोग लड़कों से बोरो करके हम लोग इक्विपमेंट्स लेते थे.
ये ना जी, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कुछ ही नहीं है जी, ज़ीरो. पूरा मैं खर्चा करके भेजा था ना जी, इंडिया की पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. कभी बीच में तो मैंने छोटा सा ज़मीन भी बेच दिया था इसके लिए ना जी.
अब 2-3 बार जब ये लोग खेलने गया तो आधा घर से देना पड़ता है मेरे को जी.
Ring that we practice in lake, it's not a ring, it's just a frozen lake.
India doesn't get behind a team that they know is going to lose. They want to get behind the team that will make them proud.
So there are a lot of hurdles and difficulties that these players have to face while playing the sport in Leh and Ladakh. But their passion for the game melts all their difficulties, but not their love for the ice. The spectators here too have a different kind of fondness and love for the sport. Imagine getting up early in the morning just to watch a single game of ice hockey. हमसे तो यहाँ मुंबई में भी ठंडियों में रज़ाई से बाहर निकलना मुश्किल हो जाता है. Okay, now don't joke around saying that मुंबई में कहाँ ठंड होती है. Whatever. So if the spectators enjoy the game so much and they love the game so much, imagine the feelings and the love and the passion of the players for ice hockey. In spite of all of these, the players here do not consider ice hockey as a sport. They consider it as their life. बहुत सारी मुश्किलों का सामना इन्हें करना पड़ा, but finally a team from India actually represented ice hockey at the international level. In the year 2009, first time ever in the history, a men's ice hockey team represented India at the international level in the Challenge Cup of Asia. Later in 2012, they bagged their first ever win, and in 2017 in the Challenge Cup of Asia, the men's ice hockey team finished second in the Division 1 of the Challenge Cup of Asia. So, on the other hand, the struggles of the women's ice hockey team were also similar to that of the men's. But they had to wait a bit longer. First time ever in the history, a women's ice hockey team from India represented the country at the international level in the year 2016. So, when these girls finally made it there and the national anthem was played, it was a moment of frenzy for them. And again, there was an opportunity for them to participate in the Challenge Cup of Asia in the year 2017. But again, there was this big question mark that how would they get fundings? Finally, they made an initiative and asked the crowd to give them their contributions, and they were able to raise 32 lakhs. And this enabled them to go there and participate at the international level. And the girls did not disappoint the country. They finished 4th in the Challenge Cup of Asia in the year 2017. कभी कभी कितनी आसानी से हाथ में कप और समोसा लेके हम बोलते हैं कि यार लाइफ इज टू टफ मैन. वेल, व्हेन वाज इट सपोज्ड टू बी इजी? Life was never supposed to be easy. But these girls and boys have proved to us that when things are not working according to you, you need to hang in there because darker nights also have an expiry date. The problem is that there is a lot of talent here. There is a lot in their repertoire. But the only thing that they lack is our love, our support, and the recognition they deserve. So when they win, let's take an initiative to actually celebrate their win. And only then in true sense we can say that India is a sporting nation. So with this, we conclude the Knock 8 of the Sports Sphere. Until we meet next time, stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep up the sportsman spirit.